kapatid, right? You know, the 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 artist from anime is her name is Ereth. They're gonna have a concert here in Orlando in the 21st of this month. Yeah, so they have a concert on the 21st of this month. So actually, my daughter, she was asking me that we're going, but it's kind of a little complicated for me. I mean, she can go, but I don't know because I have a dance practice that day, because in the following day we are performing dance for a big celebrating a birthday and a retirement, and so I don't know if I can go, but it should be a good one. Juchapi channel, mega love shoutout Ate Lynn. Hello, mega love shoutout. Decision. I know, kapatid, it's too hard. It's hard to make a decision, especially when it's your own daughter, you know. I mean,